All right, we got a little unboxing video. This package finally came in. I'm gonna open it up. See what's inside. This is one of my other trucks. All right, it's from Summit Racing. Nice. Things there. Got your carburetor rebuild kit. If you don't know what a carburetor is, just ask me and I'll be gladly to tell you. Oh, that fell out. This is a brake proportioning valve for a disc-to-disc brake setup. This is for my car. I'm switching from disc to drums, and I need a disc-to-disc valve, so that regulates how much brake fluid goes to the rear. That is a accelerator pump diaphragm for a carburetor, for different carburetor than that rebuild kit. And then a little bonus treat, we got a different, got some important stickers. Those are always important. And then, I don't know if I can lift these out of here, they're pretty heavy. Set that down on the ground, I don't want it to get wet. So I got another unboxing video inside of an unboxing video. It's like Inception. So this is what I was waiting for. These are all wrapped up nice. Yeah, they spent a lot of time on it. Oh, I think everything's wrapped together. Let's see. Oh yeah, everything's saran wrapped together. Those are, it's hard to tell, but those are these two long ones these two long ones are lower control arms, and these are upper control arms for the rear end on my car. They're adjustable. And I found something important down here. That would be more stickers. That pretty much sums it up. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was my first one, and I'll see you tomorrow.